Hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you guys how to cook beans, fried beans and yam the Nigerian style. So this is the beans I'm going to use. I soaked these beans since yesterday, like I soaked it overnight. So look at how it is now. This is the black-eyed beans. This is how it is. So since I've soaked it since yesterday, I am going to wash it and then put it inside pot and cook. This is the yam that I'm going to use. This is a very small yam. This is the one that is, this is the only yam we have in this house. So because the yam we bought the other day is finished, this is the last one. I'm going to use it to prepare this delicious Nigerian dish. So here I have my crayfish. This is the crayfish that I'm going to use. Can you see it? So this is the oil that I'm going to use. I have with me here the tomatoes, the peppers. Depends on your quantity of your beans and yam. Okay, so this is how I like my own. This is 3 Italian pepper. This is 1 red bell pepper. 3 tomatoes, normal size tomatoes. Then Scotch bonnet. I have the yellow bonnet pepper. They are all here. I have like 4 pieces here. 1 red bonnet pepper. So you have to use pepper according to your taste. Here in this house we like pepper, so that's why I have this much peppers. If in your house you don't eat a lot of peppers, you can use pepper according to how you eat it. I have my fish. This is catfish, smoked catfish. Then this is okporoko, that is stockfish. I am going to soak these two. I am going to soak them in hot water for at least 30 minutes before I add it. You will see everything. This is my cow skin, what we call momo in Nigeria. Cow skin, you can use your own. This one I chopped it into small pieces, so you chop your own how you want it to be, but this is how I like mine to be. I have onions here with me. This is this size of onions too, so I chopped 1, then I left 1. You will see how I use it. Here is my stock cube. This is the stock cube I'm going to use. This is small curry powder. This is salt. I have salt with me, so you have to put salt according to your taste. So guys, this is all I am going to use to cook this meal. So let's get into the cooking. So guys, I'm going to start by washing my beans and putting it inside pot. Okay. This is the onions, that second onions I showed you guys earlier. So I'm going to add it into these beans now, like this. Then I'll cover it to cook very well. I'll cook it until the beans is soft, then we'll be back. And while my beans is cooking, I am going to prepare the tomatoes, the peppers, so that I will blend them. So guys, it is time to prepare my yam. I'm just preparing it to get it ready before the beans is soft. Guys, I'm done with my yam, and I chopped it into the sizes that I want, and I added water in it so that it does not change color. So guys, let's check if the beans is soft. As you can see, it is soft now. Can you see? It is soft. So let us drain the water. So guys, the next thing is cook my yam. I'm going to add my yam now. Then I'll cover it to cook. I'm still trying to drain the water from my tomatoes, the blended peppers and the tomatoes. It is time to fry it now. I'll leave the water in this pan to dry. Since my pot has dried, I am going to add my oil, my red oil. You should not let the oil bleach, so you add your onion. You add the blended tomatoes. Then add your cow skin, that is your pomo, and the stock fish. Then add your blended crayfish. You are supposed to be perceiving a very beautiful smell in your house. As I'm talking to you now, my house, like, the smell is all over my house and it smells so good. Add the curry. Add little salt, stock cube. My stock cube, I used to break it with my hands if I am adding it inside my food. I don't want to see a chunk of stock cube in my food. Let's check our yam. It is done. The yam is done. I'm also going to strain the water from the yam. It's running just a little water now. So it is now time for me to add my beans, the cooked beans. Then I will add my fried tomatoes and peppers. Then you stir it. Then you taste for salt. Cover it to cook for a few minutes. I'm going to give this one 4 minutes and we'll be back. And this is on a medium heat, remember. Guys, this is after 4 minutes and it is done. My miniatures fried beans is done. This tastes so good. Like, we really enjoy this. My husband, because my husband loves beans a lot, so he really enjoys this meal. You can give this meal a try, guys. Try it and you will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.